Hello guys, it's me, Caleb, and today we're going to be doing a review on the Mr. Christmas, the Lights and Sounds of Christmas. Got this off of eBay for not too much in money. By the way, let's get the Christmas carol started now. Okay, this is We Wish You a Merry Christmas. God rest you, merry gentlemen. Angels we have heard on high. Here we come a caroling. Deck the halls. Don't know this name of the carol. By the way, the saying could be all songs, rock and roll. You can have the lights steady, unison, or multiplex. And you can have this also power on. There's 6 outlets in there. You can click the lights too. The newer version with 3 of them in a double plugs. It just doesn't sound a right pitch at all. By the way, it is actually a GE one, but it's still a Mr. Christmas though. I always wanted one of these, so I finally have one. Cannot wait to use it in display. Okay. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.